Hello friends, welcome to this another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater game crashing, not launching, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, not loading error on Xbox. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart the game. For that, first you need to select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller and after that select quit option. And finally restart your game and check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, the next solution is to clear Xbox cache. For that, press Xbox symbol. Now move down and select settings. After that, go to system and select console info. Here click on reset console and after that select reset and keep my games and apps. So after this, try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next solution is to check for the game update. So you should ensure that the game is updated and not running on outdated version. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or issues. So make sure you update your game and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. Next is to check network or internet connection. So if there is any kind of connection problem, then crashing or not launching issue can occur. So for that, you are suggested to use a stable internet connection. It's better to go for Ethernet cable or use another hotspot to see if this works. Open Xbox menu, select settings, select network settings. Now test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next solution is to perform a power cycle. So for that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. After that, plug in console again and then switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. So after performing a power cycle, now check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings on Xbox. Now select device and connections. Then click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and finally click on clear persistent storage. So after this, try to launch the game and check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to remove and re-add account. So for that, first press Xbox button. After that, click on settings under profile and system. Now go to account and remove accounts. Now select the accounts to remove and after that select remove option. Once done, wait for some time and again add your account and after that check if it resolves the problem. Next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest version and not running on outdated one. For that, open settings on your Xbox. Now select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and after that click on update option to begin the process. So after your Xbox is updated, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, you should reinstall the game. So for that, press Xbox button. Now move to my games and apps, then select see all option. Here select your game and then press menu button and finally select uninstall. After the game is removed, open the game official website from where you want to download and after downloading, install it and check if you can play it without any further problem. Final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. For that, you need to go to Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can also raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide you what to do and hopefully they will resolve it from their end. So these are few solutions suggested to fix the Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater game crashing or not launching or other issues on Xbox. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.